DTF Printer A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printer DTF. A 3 DTF printer of the item contains roll feeder plus auto heat station, reduce the paper jam problem of traditional printers and improve the printing efficiency and speed. White ink circulation system. DSV L1800 DTF transfer printer has a white ink circulation system, which prevents sediment causing the nozzle to be blocked. Make the printing more uniform and beautiful. Easy to operate, you do not need to adjust the physical position of the printhead, it can be directly printed while adding ink. After printing on the PET film with a DTF printer, it can be directly transferred to the t-shirt by a heat press. Connect your DTF business faster and more efficiently. DTF transfer printer suitable for dark and light fabrics. It can be applied to cotton, polyester, leather, t-shirts, jeans, hats, handbags, pillows, shoes, socks, caps, handicrafts, hoodies, cushions, and many other fabrics. Technical support. The DTF printer only supports for Windows 7 10 11 system, not Mac. Because DTF is a new technology, we have established a professional after-sales team. After you buy the printer, give me your WhatsApp and we will provide you with high-quality remote service. DTF Printer A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printer DTF. Advantages: 1. For all fabric printing. 2. No clogging with white ink mixing function. 3. Print bright color without pre-treatment liquid. 4. Budget-friendly, stable printing performance, easy to operate. 5. Greatly improve printing speed and save labor force with roll holder installed. 6. New upgrade vacuuming platform to keep film from moving during printing. 7. Air cooling fan discharge the waste ink molecules.